Hey, my name is John. My job title is software developer. Industry is manufacturing, and I would give an 8 out of 10 for OpenBOM. We used to use Oracle Fusion to keep up with our bills of materials, and since we don't have Oracle anymore, OpenBOM is what we use to keep up with that. It's also for my purpose, it's a nice product list. We use it as our master product list, and we run integrations between HubSpot, CRM, and QuickBooks. Uh, and OpenBOM is I guess, the master product list between those two systems. OpenBOM's really easy, simple, it's pretty intuitive how to use. If you understand how the spreadsheets work and you have ever worked with spreadsheets, then learning OpenBOM and how to use it really isn't too much harder. Uh, Also, I like the support. I think every time I've ever had a question, it's been answered pretty well and within a timely manner. Uh, Also, using their API is uh, pretty simple as well. There's nothing crazy or hard about using their API, which is beneficial to me more specific the most because I use the API for the integrations I had previously talked about in the last question. Honestly, the main thing for me that I don't like about OpenBOM is whenever you're trying to do large scale manipulation of data inside of the front end on the spreadsheets, importing is not bad and it actually works pretty well. But if I'm trying to make a big change using the front end, like for example, the other day I was trying to set a value in all the cells to a certain value, and it was took me longer than it should have to copy the value between a bunch of cells in the same column. Where I feel like in Excel or something like that, like it would have been like a one button click and it would have been done in like 5 seconds. But it's not really that big of a deal. I don't know if that's an issue with it being online and always updating. Every time you update something, the cells just hop around, and it can get kind of frustrating sometimes. But it's not really a big issue. That might just be me or how I use it. I might be doing something wrong. I'm not sure, but that's my only real complaint so far. If you're looking for a system like OpenBOM, I would say it's a great choice. Honestly, the biggest recommendation I would have was if you have an issue setting it up or working with it, just contacting support. I think honestly, when you contact support, a lot of times, like I don't know if he's the owner of the software, co-owner or something, but usually, like you'll get someone that knows what they're talking about, usually pretty quickly, uh, and very closely tied to how it works, knows how it works, and the documentation also is pretty great. As far as any documentation that I've had to read, uh, explains things very well. So I would say if you're running into issues using the software, or if you get the software and you run into something you don't know how to do, just try looking at their documentation or contacting support, and I guarantee you that your question will be answered pretty quickly and pretty accurately too, which is very nice.